guys, Rick here, orthotape.com. Want to demonstrate our new universal size crutches. These crutches are great. They can go the whole way down this low for a child size, and then they can also go up for almost a person who's about 6'2". So I'm going to show you how to set these crutches. Alright, so first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that you open these up in order to get the first adjustment. This one has a 2-setting adjustment. So you have this spot here and this spot here, which allows them to be very universal. On both sides they have this. What you want to do is first get a little bit of tension on that, so you can hook it in your arm or something like that and hold on, and then hold the other one and it'll start to move. Once you get that, you can get it to slide a little bit and slide up to the next setting. Once they pop out, make sure that they're popped out at that setting right here and right here. Now what you want to do is adjust the bottom. I'm going to take mine the whole way to the bottom since I'm a little bit taller. And you want to set the underarm height. So the underarm height should really be about 2 fingers below when you're standing up. So you really don't want your body rested on the crutch like that. You're using most of your force on the forearm. So you want to take your arm like a whole way down like this, and then bring it up to the next setting. So once you're down like that, then bring it up to the next setting and go ahead and pop those in. So basically what you're doing is you're keeping most of your weight on your forearms when you're crutching. If you find that it needs to go up one more, you can quickly adjust it as well. You can also bring down this as well to make it a little bit lower, so that way you still have that 2 fingers under your underarms. You never want to get the full weight on your underarms when you're crutching. It's always on the front there. Okay, so we'll show you one more time on this one. Make sure you first open these up, because if you don't, they won't slide. This piece won't slide up. Then you go and put a little bit of tension on it. I'm going to put this one over here. Put a little bit of tension, so I'm going to pull it with my back underarm. Put a little tension under, you can see under there, and then see how it starts to slide. Now it slides up to the next level. You'll notice we have another notch as well, so that allows you to get it even taller. For my height, I'm going to need it to go right about that level, and then I'm going to take it the whole way down and put it into number 9. And again, these are fully universal. And then now you just need to set the handle. So you take the arm the whole way down, hold it down there, and then bring it up to the one above it. That's the best way to get the right setting, because that way you're right walking on the crutches. If you find that it's still digging into your arm or under your underarm, what you could do is bring it up one more. So the first thing to do is go ahead and start crutching. So we'll go ahead and walk. And I'm doing I'm pretty good, but what I want to do is try to not have so much of it pushed up in my underarm there. So what I can do is I can either bring it down a little bit here, 1 notch. Bring this one down 1 notch. So that way I got a little bit more room under my underarms up there. Now what happens is that pushed it too far down, so I need to take these guys back up a little bit. I'm going to set it up a little higher because I like to be able to keep my underarm. I don't want my underarm to get sore. Most of your weight again is on the palms and your forearm. You also want to make sure you have it at the same height for both. So do a quick double check of that real fast. Make sure it's at the same height. And go ahead and give it a try. And this is perfect. So again, you'll see as I'm crutching, I'm putting most of my weight here. Lifting, lifting. So it's push your arm straight. You don't want to do any of this. Underarms is not what you want to use. You want to use your forearm and your wrist. So all the weight goes here. This is just to guide it from falling out on the sides. And then swing. It's best to keep your leg back, because if you put it out here like this, you're going to feel like you're going to fall over. So what you want to do is take it back, swing like that. there we have it. So we got these crutches available in hot pink, white, and black. I didn't do the hot pink, but I did the white and the black to show you. But you can see the photography to show you the hot pink. So hope you give them a try. Thank you.
Yep.